Hey, what's up, Star Status? It's 3D the Rap Star, aka is the Benz Man. And what I got right here is the 2025 Volkswagen Atlas. All right, y'all, now a little bit of a disclaimer. I am a Benz head, mostly talking about Mercedes-Benz on this channel. So if you are looking for a proper spec video, I am not the guy. But if you are looking for a first impression video from someone who like Benzes and can tell you what my first impressions are, stay tuned. Look at this feature. I just want to show y'all something. Watch this. All right, y'all. So here's the key. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Just walk up to the car. Look, Mom, no hands.
Pow.
Look what's really cool about this car. Look at the light ups. I feel like they did this better than the Mercedes. The whole back light up. And I didn't press lock or unlock. So once you get in, it already lights it up. Welcome. Wow, look at the clock, look at the screen, look at the wood. If you're a Benz owner, oh man, look out. This is nice. 2025 model, y'all. Hold on, I want to show y'all that feature again. The keys are in my pocket. Look when you walk up to your car. Look, so if you get an Atlas, nighttime POV, this is the cool thing about it already. I got to show y'all again. One more time for y'all. Just walking up to it. Woo. Didn't press nothing, y'all. The keys, it's in the pocket. Real nice feature. And there it goes. You just walk up to it. It has a sensor to unlock the car and the lights. Look at that. Like I said it once more, and then it go dim. I feel like they did it just a little bit better than these Mercedes-Benz did. All right, now let's go ahead, foot on the brake. I just like how the digital clock is running. I like the wood right there, the wood trim alone. Engine start stop is gonna be right here. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. It's gonna tell you when your next oil change is. These cars are getting better and better. Your oil temperature is right there. Your coolant temperature is right there. Like, I love always when it's two screens. You can connect. Yes, it does have Apple CarPlay. And yes, it has another feature screen right here. But I really want to show y'all just the overall of the car. That's what this video is really about. Ooh, nice little sound. Doesn't sound bad. I want to show y'all the outer of the car. This is the SUV. Sorry, I keep calling it a car, but I'm used to doing car reviews mostly. Look at that. I feel like they did it just a little bit better than Mercedes. Like, look how refreshing that Volkswagen logo looks. And that's what I'm saying. I'm not being biased. I wanted to show y'all this nighttime POV. This is the Atlas at night for those of you who don't really care about the specs of the car. So I wasn't here to tell you the horsepower and things like that and what it's capable of in the trim settings. I just wanted to show you guys the car at night if you are thinking of making a purchase for one of these. It looks even better off camera. You will have to see it in person really. But just that light setup is really gorgeous. Got your Volkswagen, illuminated logos. Your Atlas writing right there. All right, so one thing I really do like about it so far is, before we check out the interior, is just look at the lighting. So bear with me, it's a little dark right now, but look at this. It's not a button. You literally just hover over it and you just graze it and voila, we have lights in here. But it's really nice because it's not a button. You know how sometimes everything gets sticky button? It looks like everything on the inside, besides these buttons right here, are just activated by a little graze over. Now, the wood in here is a really nice touch. Look at the stitching on the steering wheel. Really nice. Check out the wood. And sometimes they car brands or SUVs or whatever cheap out when you get to the back. They kept it going throughout the car, flows right through the car. Now the interior, the seats are very Audi-like. Remember the days when Volkswagen didn't really have much? Like, they put everything into all their other car brands that they manufacture now, taking over Bentley, the Audi, the Lamborghini. But look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Let's go ahead and check out the back. Really, really nice stitching in the back. Contrast stitching. Goes all the way from the back, you know, the front to the back and all throughout. All right, y'all. Now, the next thing that is very big on the Atlas, that is really huge, that I like, is check out the third row right here. So this would be a good, matter of fact, a great family car. So someone that's heavily in the Benzes, I approve of this. Cup holders right there. They did an amazing, sorry about that, a very amazing job. Ooh, it's kind of hard to push the seat back though. But once it's there, there's literally a latch. You just pull right here and you just kind of pull it with you. And there it goes. So getting in is fairly easy. Since it goes, let me show y'all how far it goes, you know, to get in. So if someone's getting in first in the back, it's very easy. I'm about 5'11", 6 feet on a good day. And even I can get in here. And it looks like, you know, it'll be tight unless we move the seats up a little bit. And this from someone that is about, yes, 5'11", 6 feet on a good day. All right, getting out. Let's see, y'all. A little tight, but I managed. So then you just pull it back in. It's a little snug, like I said, and it goes back in place. All right, y'all. Now, the next thing to check out for, as on the Benz, you know, those automatic closing doors. Does it have that? We know Volkswagen is like, no, it does not have the Benz self-closing doors. That would have just sealed the deal. No self-closing doors, but you know what? It's all right, though, because we still got. I'm still surprised at how well they did that. You know, Benz is still looking for some upgrades outside of the EQS in certain models, but still very nice. Let me show y'all another thing I like about it. It's really the size. On top of that, the size, you know, look at all this room. 5'11", 6 feet on a good day. Look, I could basically have my arms, my legs, excuse me, swinging off if I wanted to. All right, so remember what I was saying about the buttons? You look closer and nope, they're not buttons. You hover over it and oh, that just feels nice doing that. You don't really even got to press it. You just kind of touch it. But look at this. Look at the camera. Really nice resolution and show you everything. To put it in reverse, this is like the new way, the new cars. You literally got to push it up and it goes into reverse. But look at this. Really nice with a beep. Back up a little bit. You hear it a little more as it beep. To go and drive, put the gear selector all the way down and voila. Now you're in drive and it has this for in front of you. So really nice resolution camera for 2025. It's passing all the inspections of me as a car outside of Benz, as an SUV outside of Benz that I would actually get. And for the park, of course, you just press right there and it go back in the park. And so far, what's cool about it is it's almost like very basic, but in 2025, it's not. Reason why I say that, because you can see everything right here. And like it has all the updates, all the new features you would need on a new SUV. I feel like it gets the job done very well. And now the only thing I feel like this inside is missing is, oh man, if it would have had ambient lighting somewhere in here, it would have took this thing to the next level. I know I may be just pushing for a little bit extra, but the outside is so nice with the illuminated everything. It's so nice. Like, look at this. Everything on it for 2025 is really nice. So this car, this SUV does get the Benzman approval. All the features are really nice. But like I said, y'all, this wasn't a review of the car. This was just a nighttime mode just to show off a little bit of the features and what it looked like at nighttime. You know, so far, I'm loving this thing. This thing is very nice. All right, y'all. Signing off, Benz Man. And I can't forget one of my favorite features when you turn the car off. Look at this. Oh, forgot anything? Everyone out of the vehicle? That's nice, y'all. Signing off, Benz Man. Goodbye.